Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle Linux Server 10.0 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Oracle official website and download the Oracle Linux ISO image. Oracle.com, then click on products, then see under hardware and software click on Linux, then download Oracle Linux, then click on Oracle Linux installation media. See here we have the several kinds of ISO images: full ISO, UK boot ISO, source ISO. See here the definition. Okay, see here we have the versions, release numbers, full ISO, boot ISO, source ISO. So latest release is 10. Okay, I'm going to download full ISO. It is DVD ISO. So click on to download. No need to restart. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 8 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download completes, then open VMware. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Then click on open. Then click on next. Then select the type as Linux and version as. Check whether we have the Oracle Linux. See here we have the Oracle Linux 9, but we don't have 10. So select the latest one. Then click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See here this is a virtual machine summary. If you want to customize any one of them, you have to click on customize hardware. I want to give 4 gigabytes memory. Then click on close. Remaining options I am okay. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click on the virtual machine name settings, or select it and go to VM and settings. All three options are same. Or if you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, here we can provide. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, just click on this power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Oracle Linux 10.0. Hit enter. See if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Select the language and click on continue. Then select the installation medium. I am going with the default. Click on done. Then root account, I want to enable it. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. User creation. This is the user full name. This is the username. Add administrative privileges to this user account. Provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. For server, click on software selection. See here by default it has selected server UI, but I want only server, so select server. Then click on done. Select only server. Then additional softwares that we have to select. Okay, whatever you want you can select. Then click on done. See, once we are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on reboot system. See, we have connected to Oracle Linux Server 10.0. This is web console address. Okay. Now provide the username that you have created. Provide the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the version. more/etc OS-release. See, we have installed Oracle Linux Server. Its variant ID is server, variant also same. Okay. The first step after connecting to Oracle Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is updating. It will take time. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux Server 10 version on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.